Tired of navigating Excel in a language that isn't your own? Let's get that fixed. First, click on the File tab, typically located in the upper left-hand corner of your Excel window. This opens up the Backstage view where you can access settings and options. Next, look for Options at the very bottom of the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Options to open the Excel Options dialog box. In the Excel Options dialog box, find and select the Language tab. This is where you will find the settings to change your display language. Under Choose Display Language, you'll see a list of installed languages and a drop-down menu with available languages. Select your preferred language from the list. If your language isn't listed, you may need to add it. If your desired language isn't already installed, click the Add a Language button. This will open a window where you can search for and select the language you want to install. After selecting, follow the prompts to install the language pack. Once you've selected your language, ensure it's moved to the top of the list using the Move Up button. If necessary, Excel will typically indicate that the change will take effect the next time you start the application. Finally, close Excel and restart it. The application should now be displayed in your chosen language. Enjoy your customized Excel experience.